My name is Jeremy McLeish, and I'm a welding student at Johnston Community College. I'm originally from Jamaica. I moved to the United States when I was 12 to Miami, Florida. I was exposed to welding while I was in high school. We had a small MIG welder, and it was very interesting because I always thought of metal as being completely indestructible in a sense, and this machine just made it seem like welding it together was like putting two sticks of butter, just mushing them together. During my junior year, I had to drop out, and after dropping out, I came back to North Carolina, and I decided to really think about what I wanted to do in my future, because that was a very jarring experience for me, because I thought I had it made. Essentially, I thought, oh, I'd be able to do this no problem. And after going through that difficulty, I realized I need to really put more thought into this. I need to understand exactly what I want to do, where I want to go, and how I want to go about achieving that. And after a lot of thought, I kind of realized, hey, I really do like welding, and I was thinking maybe there's somewhere nearby that I could attend or take some classes or just get a certificate, in order to just give me some leverage while I'm out there searching for a job. And lo and behold, I was recommended to JCC by my aunt. Like, there's a community college nearby. Why don't you try there? They usually have some good programs there. And I came to JCC, inquired, and I found out about the welding program here. A lot of high schools don't tell students about community colleges, and I'm not sure why, but there's a legitimate option that can help you have a very fulfilling and good career, because they're extremely affordable, and I myself have been paying off every semester that I've been attending JCC, no problems. And that's one of the most comforting things to me, because I don't have to be worried about student debt, getting assistance, while at the same time I'm getting a very, very good education that can take me to a variety of places. And I think that's an option many students need to consider. And I came to JCC, and ever since then, it's been a really interesting, fun experience for me, because I'm basically pursuing a hobby, so I've been enjoying it the entire time here.